They said this car was beyond saving. Not because it was cheap, not because it was old, but because it was perfect once. A machine built to dominate everything around it. Speed, precision, control. And then it was left behind. Forgotten. Silent. What you're about to see is not a makeover. It's not a shortcut. It's a resurrection. One bolt at a time. One sound at a time. No music. No ruse. Just time and patience.
All right, this one's been sitting.
This was never just a car. It was a statement. An answer to a question no one else dared to ask. How far can perfection be pushed?
We'll strip this completely.
Before it becomes dangerous. 4 turbochargers. 16 cylinders. Engineering taken to its absolute edge. Not built for comfort. Not built for approval. Built to erase limits. Every line exists for a reason. Every surface shaped by airflow, heat, and force. When it moved, the world made room. When it stopped, silence followed. This machine doesn't ask for attention. It commands it.
There it is. Hold it steady. That's
These took a hit. These took a...
Yeah. These took a hit. Slow moving.
Clearances are tight.
That line's perfect.
This will look serious. Yep, that's it. torque is dead on. How about protein? Easy, perfect.
No scratches.